tackle about incremental backup strategy overview. So what is incremental backup? An incremental backup strategy involves backing up only the data that has been changed since the last backup, either full or incremental. It reduces the amount of data stored and transferred during each backup session. This method saves time and storage space because only modified and newly added files are backed up. However, to restore everything, you need the last full backup plus every incremental backup made afterward.
So, good evening everyone. Good evening, sir. Our topic today is optimal uses for incremental backup. So, there are three optimal use cases for incremental backup. First is large data system. Second is resource constrained environment. Third is mission critical application. So, first is ideal for enterprise environment managing vast volume of changing data daily. In system that store huge amount of data like terabytes or petabytes, doing a full backup every day is impractical because it's take too much time and storage. Incremental backup only save the changes since the last backup, making it much faster and more efficient. So, ang kanina yung large data system guys is gamit ni siya sa kanang example sa mga dagko nga kompanya bitaw sa Shopee or Lazada nga na, di ba naman na sila transaction nga na, di ba? Cash man na kayo, dako mo storage. So, ang kaning kuan day siya guys, kaning incremental backup is gamit ni siya para makasave bitaw sila sa storage. Mura gamay ra ang makuha kay ang iya rang kuonan hi kay kanirang mga kaning bag-o nga kuan bitaw kanay bag-o nga kanang storage sa kanang mga file ba, bag-o nga nakuan dili na nila kuanon tong kanang daan mao nang makasave. So gamit ni siya. So second is resource constrained environment. Help reduce storage consumption and network bandwidth using unlimited infrastructure. So ang kaning kuan ni resource constrained environment kay kuan ni siya kana sa mga lugar ni nga hinay kasagap bitaw og signal kanang slow kayo ilang internet ba. Unya ang example ani is small business with a mao lagi niya sa slow internet connection, unlimited service space, backup, employee document to a cloud service using incremental backup, prevent overloading the internet connection and save cloud storage cost. No, maora to. Ang sa kuan na ni guys, ang sunod sa mo report ani is ang kauban siya na mo report sa ikatulo. So maora to. Salamat.
So hi everyone, I am Reyes Janmark and I am going to report the advantages and disadvantages of incremental backup. There are three advantages of incremental backup. First is efficient use of storage space. Only the changes made since the last backup, either full or incremental, are saved. This reduces the amount of data stored, saving this space. Second is faster backups after the initial full backup. Since only changes are saved, each incremental backup takes less time than a full backup. Then, last advantages of incremental backup is less network usage during backup because smaller amount of data are being transferred Incremental backups reduce network bandwidth usage, especially important in remote or cloud backups. There are also three disadvantages of incremental backups. First is slower recovery time. To restore data, you need to start with full backup and then apply each incremental backup in sequence. This can take time and is more complex. Second is higher complexity in managing and tracking backup sequences. You need to manage a chain of backups. Losing track of sequence or mismanaging them can cause issues during restoration. Then last is, if one backup in the chain is corrupted, later backup may be unstable. Incremental backups depending on each previous backup. If one link in the chain is damaged or loose, it can make all subsequent backups useless, making recovery impossible.
Enterprise Database Solution. These are the core database systems used by large organizations to manage critical business operations. They handle large-scale transactional data, which means of a massive volume of day-to-day operations like sales, inventory, updates, customer interaction, financial transactions, because these databases are central to a business functioning. Any data loss or corruption can bring operation to a halt, leading to significant financial losses and reputational damage. Therefore, consistent and reliable management, including frequent backups, is crucial to ensure business continuity and data integrity.
Industrial and database. Industrial sectors overview. The industrial sector involves businesses and processes related to manufacturing, product construction, and other large-scale operations. Manufacturing, cars, electronic, energy production, oil, gas, and electricity, logistics and supply chain, automation, and robotics.
Case study on AWS incremental snapshots for storage efficiency and cost savings. Here's a breakdown of the key points. Number 1. Snapshot strategy. AWS Elastic Block Store or EBS takes an initial full snapshot of the data. Subsequent snapshots are incremental, meaning they only capture changes to data blocks rather than duplicating all data again. Number 2. Cost savings. This incremental approach significantly reduces storage usage. It's especially beneficial for users handling large volumes of data as they save on storage costs.
Real-world impact. A financial services firm reduced backup storage by up to 70%, meeting stringent recovery point objectives efficiently. A financial services firm used this method and saw up to 70% reduction backup storage, meet strict recovery point objective more efficiently. In summary, AWS incremental snapshot help large data users save cost and meet backup recovery goals effectively. That's all.